Welcome back to another edifying tutorial on how you can start doing China importation from the comfort of your room. Get to meet me. My name is Samuel Joshua, and this is the voice of zionhublogistics Limited. All right. So 1688 can be so stressful for beginners, most especially those people who just bought a course from maybe their importation coach. So, and to translate it can be very, very much difficult. So I think these are what those people think, and it really leads to a new development on 1688. So I think after you watch this video that I'm about to share with you now, you will understand that there is a new development on 1688. In terms of the app, they've upgraded the app to 50/50 languages. This 1688 app is basically designed for Chinese citizens, isn't it? But now, I think with the volume of sales that they are having on 1688, they've now come to conclusion on upgrading the app to English version. So this really makes us to come into conclusion and makes me to record this video now that they now give international buyers a access to use to see some certain places in English. Yes, if you are familiar with 1688, you will know that is a local Chinese app. It is designed basically for Chinese and nobody else at all. So, but now they've upgraded it and they've started introducing English. So I think with the app now, you can now say English in some certain places, and in some other side, you see Chinese. So which makes it very easy for the beginners to do what? To navigate through. So this is what I'm going to be sharing with you and the new updates that I just you should always know that Zion Hub Logistics does not hide any updates at all. I don't do that. I don't know how to hide updates from you guys, isn't it? So this is what I'm going to be sharing with you today. And if you missed my previous tutorial on how I was able to buy with my local ATM card at an official rate, you need to go and watch that video. If you don't see it on my channel, comment, I'll share you the link, or check the bio of this video. You will see it there on how I was able to use my ATM card to buy. It's in part of the new developments too. But that's not what I'm sharing today. And I've also recorded another video on how you can use your Naira ATM card to buy RMB at official rates. You can also go and watch it. So these things has been recorded. The materials are free. Just go there, watch, subscribe, and like. Please don't be an ingrate. Resources have been put together to record all these videos. Time, energy, data. Please just smash that subscription button. It's free. Smash it, then like and also share. Okay, so without further more ado, let's dive into the tutorial properly.
1688 management has done this again. Like, they've done this again. Honestly, I could not believe what my eyes is seeing. Sure, but is an awesome, and whosoever that bring this idea is a very good person, honestly. So for you to have access to this new feature, I think you will need to update your 1688 app, maybe on Play Store or App Store, right? So now let's say I want to click a product. Let me click on this hoodie here and click on the details. You will see that there is a new development. We are still talking about the new payment method they introduced in my last tutorial. If you haven't watched that tutorial, you can just go there and watch. Okay, so we are still talking about that. They now brought in this new English of a thing. Now you can see here under this where we have buy now, they've already translated it to English. Now God will bless whosoever that invent this app and brought in this new development. I think they believe, they also know what we are feeling. They also know what we are going through to start translating. Honestly, all my phone's gallery are now full for Chinese translate. Do you get? I can even show you. This is my gallery here. Everything I do is in Chinese. See, they are all in Chinese. See them. Translate, 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 translate. Everything I do, see, translation, you can see it there. That's my daily routine. Do you get it? So I think they've now come to conclusion on what translating their app, and I believe this is awesome. And this is what impressed me the most. You can see it here. We have buy now, we have store, we have like, and we have chat. They believe a whole lot of foreigners are what they are patronizing their app. Now let's go to our profile dashboard. If I'm to click here, this is what amazed me the most. I just woke up a very certain day and I start seeing this. So I wish to now share this new update with you, that I think these people are working on something for them to, I think all these innovations now start 3 weeks ago. They firstly introduced the new payment method, which is the card payment, that you can now use your ATM card to pay. Now it is translation. They are giving us a English, that they are giving us a hint, despite the fact that we all know that this app is designed for the Chinese market, the Chinese people. So I think they are now giving us 50-50 chances, like those that it is their foreigner, their citizen, which is Chinese citizen, they can have access to their Chinese thing, while we, the foreigner, can also navigate through our English thing. So I think they are giving us a 50-50 chances, which is awesome. I believe they are still working on something. Maybe by the end of the day, they'll be able to design a app for we, the foreigner, and they'll also be able to design their own for Chinese citizen. Okay, because on a normal note, it is only those who patronize. You can see nearly all of these things are now turning to English. This is awesome. You can see that without even using any translator. This is to pay, this is to ship, this is to receive, this is to refund, this is to review. This simply means, see this one here, receive, buy again, track shipment, more. If I'm to click on more, see, ship later, apply for refund, similar, discover. This is also, we don't even need a Google translator, because these are things that we struggle to read, because everything is in Chinese before. So if you want to enjoy this now, I think you can just do what? You can update your 1688 app. This is awesome. Very, very awesome. So I can nearly, all these things, I've known it, like I've known it offhand, right? So if I want to say I want to click on this bag now, go to this place. So I'll be able to just do what? I'll be able to click on order. If I'm to refresh, I think it's their network. You can see now it has come up. Order now, then add to cart, chat, live. This is awesome. I believe they are working on something. I will give you my blessings. Honestly, whosoever that invents this new development, God will bless you. Like, God will continue to bless you. So these are awesome things that I've seen today, and I really wish to share with you. Okay, so for you to enjoy this, like I've said before, now just go and update and also start navigating through, because I have some people, they will tell me that they can't go through all this stress of translating. So I think this is a relief. This is a relief for us now. Okay, so if you want us to help you do procurement, we are available for procurement jobs. If you want us to teach you how it works completely from A to Z, we can also teach you how these things works from A to Z, right? Then we can help you fund your Alipay. You can now buy with your ATM card. I've recorded the video. Now you can buy on 1688 with your ATM card. So I'm going to be leaving the video under the description button. You can also comment that you need the video, so I'll send it directly to you. So that is what we do, and we are available for consultation and mentorship. If you want us to mentor you, you need shipping company and all that. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my today's review on 1688, and don't forget to smash that subscription button. I discovered that a lot of people do what you do, watch the video but you will not react. Please react. Okay, react, just like it, share it, and also comment. Okay, so thank you guys for watching today's review with me, and I will see you in my next tutorial.